BBC One and iPlayer.
There is a real sense that the danger, the conflict is coming closer and a feeling that nowhere is safe.
They call this a humanitarian hub.
We're fighting for our freedom, we're fighting for our land and for our future.
It's causing a cost of living and a cost of doing business emergency.
It's a perfect storm.
Out of the darkness into the spotlight. For 6 long years she was silenced.
Every person has got the right to be free.
The BBC News Channel, more than just the headlines.
This is BBC News. Welcome if you're watching in the UK or anywhere around the world. I'm Shaun Ley. Good to have your company. Our top stories in this hour. Ukraine says it has retaken control from Russian forces of the entire area around the capital Kyiv, including the airport at Hostomel. Hundreds of people escaped the besieged Ukrainian city Mariupol, but the Red Cross evacuation efforts have again been frustrated. Elsewhere, Emmanuel Macron has held the first rally of his French presidential election campaign, telling supporters he's fighting for social progress. Ukraine's deputy... Excuse me, I do beg your pardon. I was trying to suppress that, not successfully. Ukraine's Deputy Defence Minister says her country's forces have regained control of the whole Kyiv region. She said the towns of Bucha, Irpin and Gostomel had been liberated alongside Hostomel in a northwestern suburb of the capital, where they'd been fighting since the first day of the invasion.